Hello everyone. Welcome to JH Softech. In this video I am going to tell you about, will Chat GPT replace software engineers anytime soon? The answer is no. Here are 4 reasons why. 1. Currently, when doing programming tasks, Chat GPT outputs code. And is everybody able to grok, manipulate, and use code? No, only software engineers are. Chat GPT's current coding-related outputs are useless to the general population and need to be handled by SWEs. 2. Chat GPT has been proven to sometimes give incorrect answers, including buggy code. No sound business will risk getting rid of their SWEs in favor of an AI that can provably write buggy software. Third, Chat GPT currently struggles to successfully debug buggy code, even in simple, self-contained code blocks. We can imagine that this will remain especially true in large, complex codebases. You can't get rid of SWEs if you need them to debug your AI's code. Fourth, to build complex applications with Chat GPT, you need to give it complex prompts that inherently require some technical knowledge as well as prompt engineering prowess. Right now, SWEs are the best equipped people to write these prompts. Instead of replacing software engineers, Chat GPT will serve as an amazing quality of life improvement tool for them, helping them perform certain programming tasks much faster. If you are a SWE, you don't need to worry about Chat GPT for now.